INVIDEO AI versus Fliki usage experience. Links to both INVIDEO AI and Fliki are in the description below. In this video, we'll compare two powerful AI-driven video creation platforms, INVIDEO AI and Fliki, both of which are designed to streamline video production but cater to slightly different user needs. INVIDEO AI is a versatile platform, perfect for content creators, marketers, and businesses looking to produce high-quality videos with minimal effort. Its standout feature is the script-to-video functionality, allowing users to input a script and generate a fully edited video, complete with visuals, transitions, and music from a library of templates. The platform is highly customizable, which means you can adjust scenes, text, and visuals, giving you control over the final product while saving a significant amount of time. INVIDEO AI is ideal for creating social media videos, ads, and promotional content, and offers an intuitive interface suitable for both beginners and advanced users. Fliki, on the other hand, focuses on transforming long-form content into engaging video summaries. It excels in converting articles, blog posts, or even books into video content, making it especially useful for content marketers, bloggers, and educators. With Fliki, you can generate videos from text using AI-powered voiceovers and automatically synced visuals. Its text-to-speech functionality is robust, offering multiple voice options in different languages, which is great for a global audience. Fliki's simplicity and focus on text-based content make it a great choice for users looking to repurpose written material into digestible video formats for social media or educational purposes. While both platforms are AI-powered and designed to save time, INVIDEO AI is better suited for users who need creative flexibility and dynamic videos for promotional or social media content. Fliki shines when it comes to repurposing long-form written content into concise, engaging videos. To summarize, INVIDEO AI is the choice if you want to create videos from scratch with more creative control, while Fliki is perfect for turning existing text into video content. Check the links in the description to explore both platforms and decide which one works best for you.